Okay, now we're making a pressure versus volume graph. And so make sure that you're following along with the video. I already input my widths, my pressure values. Remember, you can use the E and the power. I have the heights. I, click, drag, autofilled all the way down. The depth going all the way down to row 7. And then I use those operations to get the volume. Okay, so now we will go to Insert again, Charts, same thing as before, Scatter. Right click, select Data, Add. We'll title this Pressure versus Volume. Series X values, these are going to be my volume values. It's in the way that I can see it. I'm at row 7 now. So, okay, that's good. Get rid of the equal sign, and the Y values are the pressure values. Okay, okay. Then green cross, add axis titles. Make sure you put the quantity / the units for both of these. And then we're going to go to trend line, but don't check this. Don't check the box. Instead, you will click this arrow to the right, more options. And the vertical green bars will allow you to choose, instead of a linear, you want to do power. And notice you get a really nice fit. And you will display this equation on the chart. And here is some advice. It says 5e negative 19. I can edit this. If I click this box, I still have these options. And I can change the number from general to scientific. And it just kind of expands this. And I can see that I have a graph where y is equal to some constant value times x raised to the, x raised to the -1. Your graph, if you've done this correctly, should also be raised to the -1 power. I can make this smaller here. And then Control Copy, Control Paste this graph into Word. Thanks for watching.